In the ongoing conflict in Ukraine, the Russian military has demonstrated remarkable adaptability and technological prowess through its armored vehicles. A recent incident involving a T-80 BVM tank equipped with an anti-drone grille has captured global attention, showcasing the tank's extraordinary durability. According to reports, this upgraded Russian main battle tank, MBT, successfully deflected no fewer than 18 hits from Ukrainian first-person view, FPV, Kamikaze drones during a single mission, remaining fully combat-ready afterward. The T80 BVM represents a pinnacle of Russian tank engineering, building on the legacy of the T80 series introduced in the late 1970s. As an upgraded variant of the T80 BV, the BVM model incorporates significant enhancements to address contemporary warfare challenges, particularly in asymmetric conflicts like the one in Ukraine. At its core, the T80 BVM is powered by a gas turbine engine, the GTD 1250, which delivers up to 1,250 horsepower. This allows for exceptional mobility, with a top speed of 70 km per hour on roads and 45 km per hour off-road, enabling rapid maneuvers across diverse terrains such as the muddy fields and urban ruins prevalent in eastern Ukraine. Unlike diesel-powered counterparts, the gas turbine provides quick acceleration and sustained high-speed performance, giving Russian crews a tactical advantage in hit-and-run operations or flanking maneuvers against slower Ukrainian forces. Firepower remains a cornerstone of the T80 BVM's dominance. The tank is armed with a 125mm 2A46M4 smoothbore gun, capable of firing a variety of ammunition types, including armor-piercing fin-stabilized discarding sabot, APFSDS, rounds like the 3BM42 Mango, which can penetrate up to 500mm of rolled homogeneous armor, raw, at 2,000 meters. It also supports anti-tank guided missiles, ATGMs, such as the 9M119 Reflex, with a range of up to 5 kilometers and the ability to engage low-flying helicopters or fortified positions. The secondary armament includes a 12.7mm NSVT heavy machine gun for anti-infantry roles and a 7.62mm PKT coaxial machine gun. These systems, combined with an advanced fire control system featuring thermal sights and laser rangefinders, allow for precise targeting even in low visibility conditions, such as night operations or smoke-filled battlefields. Russian tank crews have repeatedly leveraged this firepower to neutralize Ukrainian artillery positions and infantry concentrations, contributing to territorial gains in key sectors. However, what truly sets the T80 BVM apart in the current drone-saturated environment is its robust armor and protective upgrades. The base armor consists of composite laminates with embedded explosive reactive armor, ERA, blocks from the Relict system, which is superior to earlier KO and TAKT-5 variants. Relict ERA can defeat tandem warhead ATGMs and shaped charges by detonating outward, disrupting incoming projectiles. This multi-layered defense provides equivalent protection of over 1,000mm raw against kinetic penetrators and up to 1,200mm against chemical energy threats. In Ukraine, where Ukrainian forces rely heavily on Western-supplied Javelin and NLAW missiles, the T80 BVM's armor has proven resilient, often surviving multiple hits that would disable less advanced tanks. The star of the recent incident is the anti-drone grille, colloquially known as a cope cage, or barbecue grill, among observers. This improvised yet effective addition consists of metal slats or mesh mounted atop the turret and hull, designed to detonate drone warheads at a standoff distance or deflect them entirely. In the case of the T80 BVM in question, the grille successfully neutralized 18 FPV drone strikes, which are typically equipped with high explosive fragmentation warheads. The tank commander reported that despite the barrage, the vehicle sustained only minor damage, such as bent grills and superficial scorching, without compromising the engine, tracks, or crew compartment. This allowed the tank to complete its mission, supporting infantry advances, and return to base under its own power. Such resilience is a direct result of Russian field innovations, where units have adapted commercial welding and scrap materials into protective structures, evolving from simple roof screens to more sophisticated designs incorporating electronic warfare, EU, jammers. Russia's proactive approach to countering drones exemplifies its strategic superiority in adapting to new threats. Ukrainian forces have deployed thousands of low-cost FPV drones, often modified commercial quadcopters, to target high-value assets like tanks. However, Russian engineers have countered this by integrating EU systems like the RP-377 or Volnorez jammers on select T80 BVMs, which disrupt drone control signals within a 1 to 2 kilometers radius. Combined with the physical grille, this creates a layered defense, electronic denial followed by mechanical deflection. Reports indicate that these upgrades have reduced tank losses significantly, with Russian armored columns now advancing with greater confidence. In contrast, Ukrainian attempts at similar protections, such as on their Leopard 2 tanks, have been less effective due to supply chain issues and less integrated designs. Beyond drones, the T80 BVM's overall capabilities shine in combined arms operations. Its autoloader system enables a firing rate of 8 to 10 rounds per minute, faster than manual loading Western tanks, allowing sustained suppression fire. The tank's low silhouette, 2.2 meters hull height, reduces its detectability, aiding in ambush tactics. Crew survivability is enhanced by blowout panels in the ammunition storage, which direct explosions away from the interior, a feature that has saved lives in numerous engagements. Russian doctrine emphasizes massed armor assaults supported by artillery and air cover, and the T80 BVM fits perfectly, as seen in breakthroughs near Avdiivka and other hotspots. Ukrainian drone operators have expressed frustration over failed strikes, admitting that Russian adaptations are forcing them to expend more resources per target. In a war where attrition favors the side with deeper reserves, the T80 BVM's ability to withstand such punishment preserves Russia's mechanized forces, enabling sustained offensives. Looking ahead, the T80 BVM's success portends further advancements. Russia is experimenting with hedgehog armor, spiky wire meshes, to counter even more sophisticated drones. In conclusion, the T80 BVM's deflection of 18 drone hits is not an anomaly but a validation of Russian engineering excellence. Its blend of speed, firepower, armor, and anti-drone measures positions it as a formidable asset, bolstering Russia's operational effectiveness. As the conflict persists, such capabilities will likely tip the scales, affirming Russia's resilience and innovative spirit in modern warfare.